Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve not opening on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve not opening on Discord, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Discord app. Here you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can wait a moment to install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.